Now let me introduce a 2-port OLT. What many integrators fear most is having to configure every OLT and every ONU one by one, creating templates and provisioning services in traffic. This OLT works the moment you plug in the fiber, truly plug and play. Once all the ONUs are connected, they register automatically, just enter the account and password, and services are provisioned automatically, with the connection up in seconds. No configuration needed. Let's first look at the front panel. Right now no ONU is online and there is no traffic. This is the traffic I just tested, with one connected here. Now I'll plug in the fiber. This is the 2-port, 13-inch desktop OLT. Put it on a desk and it just works, simple and fast. Now watch what happens after I connect the fiber. The ONUs are already coming online automatically, and the rest all come online together. Both GPON ports come with standard modules by default, supporting up to 256 ONUs. Small hotels, small ISPs, chain stores, one unit handles it all. 16 Gbps switching capacity, packet forwarding up to 23.8 Mbps, plus 110G uplink and 4 gigabit ports. More than enough, nothing wasted. Total power consumption is under 15 watts, with an external DC 12V power supply. If you have any questions or want to see anything else, feel free to contact me in the comments. Now let's check the status again. Traffic is already up, and services are running automatically. We just need to watch the traffic on the ports, and that means the service is already up. We keep it really simple. The optical solution is right here. By default it is GPON full pass-through mode, traffic is already running here, and once you plug it in, it runs automatically.